Hi baby, where are you going?
Punasan mo naman yung lens mo dun.
Where are you going? Huh? Where are you going? We are going to Sicamous Creek Trails. Sicamous Creek Trails. Are you ready?
Yes.
Yes? Okay, hold on, sit tight. No, with mommy
7:45, 11:15 ako nung kwan.
So we are exactly 8 minutes from here to there. Approximately 5 kilometers from the house. And ready baby? Ready mommy?
41:45 ako na.
Okay, let's go.
Let's go! Yay! Are you wearing your glasses? Are you ready? Sure? Are you...
And here we go. 2 Mile Road. So we are here now at the 2 Mile Road. Caution, do not tailgate. Paakyat paahon.
Are you okay? Where are we going?
Okay. We are here now. Sicamous Creek Trails. Sicamous Creek Trails.
Ay, saan pala nagpunta? Nag-miss punta.
Sicamous Creek Trails. Let's find the best parking. Let's go here.
Wow, parking. Wow, you're near now.
We are near now.
Yay.
Akala niya nasa dagat na siya.
Baby is ready. Okay.
Not any.
Let's go down now.
Wow.
2 Mile Road. Baby and baby. Welcome to CSRD Parks. Park hours are 7 a.m. to 10 p.m. No overnight parking or camping. Please avoid excessive noise and or disturbances. Fires are prohibited except in designated fire pits. No fireworks. Please control and clean up after your pets. Alcohol is prohibited. Please use garbage and recycling receptacles where provided. Our car. Wow. Oops, my wife and baby is already there. By the way, today is July 20, Monday at exactly 12 in the afternoon or 12 noon. And these are the sceneries here. What is this? Ken Thompson, honoring his dedicated contribution to our community in so many ways. This is the Sicamous Creek Falls Recreation Sites and Trails BC. Sicamous Creek Falls Lizard Loop Trailhead. Okay, Hold on, my wife and baby is not here anymore. Where are they right now? Wow, you listen that one? We can clearly listen the waterfalls. That is the way where I came from, or where we came from. Oops, baby Eva and my wifey. Careful, careful. Careful, careful. Yay! Monday afternoon. There are some viewers, there are some visitors. How is baby Abby? Sikamus Creek Trails. Uy, doggy dog. Black doggy dog. Wow. Strong waterfalls. Please stay on trails, the creation site boundary.
It's very nice.
Oh, there's a black dog. Hi, black dog.
Black dog.
Dapat pala naka-rubber shoes tayo dito kami.
Ako napapagod na lang.
Mamaya ako paakit. Brick trails. My wife and baby already there. It's time for me to go. Wink. Ah. Wow, so clear water. Wala nang daan. Okay, let's go here. Kaya nga. Ay, kagaya nung isa. Punta ron. Tawid-tawid. Ito kami oh. Ito lang. Kaya ito, mas madaling daan. Baby Abby. Wow. So clear the water here at Sikamus Creek Trails. Wow. Pure nature. Wow. Pure nature. Wow. So clear water. Up. Up. So strong water current coming from there. Wow. Beautiful nature. Where we came from, at the parking lot there. And I believe the water is so cold. I believe the water is so cold. So cold, baby? The water is so cold? Yeah. Oy, so cold nga. Ah, baby. What's that? Stone. The water is so cold, no? Yay. The water is so cold. Malakas yung ano niya, no? Yung persa niya galing dun sa taas. Okay, that's it. That's it. Please stay on trail. Step. Step. Yeah, that's it. So this is it. The Sicamous Creek Trails is just only a short vlog. So if you like this video, please kindly give the thumbs up. And for those who still not subscribed, please kindly subscribe. Hit the notification bell for you to updated for more upcoming videos. Like, comment, share. Please kindly go ahead. I will be reading your comments one by one, and I will be replying one by one as well. And please kindly don't forget this video a hype to be able for YouTube to recommend like this video to a much larger audience in the whole world. So once again, this is Alvin, and see you in the next time. Bye bye.